Hey adventurers! We're here at the Howard Johnson's Anaheim in the newly remodeled Building 2.
They have so many amazing new rooms here and we can't wait to show you them.
Let's get started!
Alright, oh look, we got another remodeled room with Mickey Mouse staring right at us.
Man, these Building 2 rooms are so nice.
Look at that view of the pool.
Ooh, that's fantastic. Alright, let's go check out our room.
This is room 2224 with 2 queen beds and it's ADA compliant.
This room has more than enough space to navigate around the furniture, and with 2 queen beds and the option for a rollaway, it sleeps 5 people.
Something I love about this room is this table right here because you're right by the window so you can sit here and watch the pool. You can, have lunch or just regroup after your park day or play a game of cards. There's so many fun things to do and it's just a nice place to be.
When you get back from the park, you're definitely going to want to stream your favorite shows, which is why it's super nice that they have an internet TV with a Netflix button right on the remote. Some rooms even have an Amazon Alexa for some added fun.
So this desk right here is a great place to come and get some work done after a day at the park. And what we really love to do with this space, because there is a lot of it, is to charge all of our phones before we head out to the park the next day. There's 3 plugs and 4 USB ports, which is more than enough power so that everyone leaves with a full charge, ready to take on the day.
So one of the best parts about this room is how big its bathroom is. It's got lots of space, which makes it extra good for ADA compliance, and it's especially helpful when you're getting ready to start your day at the park.
The closet in this room is also pretty spectacular. I am 7.5 feet tall and there is still so much space in this closet. No, I'm totally kidding. So in this closet, they have a hairdryer, an ironing board with an iron, and a laptop safe, whose entire job is to keep your laptop safe. There's also a lower rail right here so you can hang even more clothes than before. And yeah, there's just a lot in this closet that it has to offer. All right, let's pass it over to Eric in the kitchen.
The kitchen here in your Hojo Anaheim room is so perfect. It's so great because when you're trying to have breakfast, you have a microwave, you have a coffee maker, and you even have a mini fridge here to totally keep your stuff cool. And what's cool is that there's the gift shop in Building 1, so you're pretty much never gonna run out of food. Let me tell you, these Hojo Anaheim cups, totally a collectible.
Now these are the remodeled Howard Johnson rooms, so the artwork in here is absolutely spectacular. Mickey Mouse is looking great, and there's actually another Mickey painting right over here. Eric, why don't you check it out over there, cameraman. Another awesome Mickey Mouse painting. And right above the kitchen, we have this artwork done by Shag, and it's absolutely spectacular. It's like kind of a retro modern look to it. There's the Matterhorn right there with the old Disneyland Skyway. And that right there is the Jolly Roger from Peter Pan. I think it's really cool artwork and they did a great job on this remodel. Well, there you have it. That is the newly remodeled Building 2.
They have so many awesome rooms here at Hojo Anaheim. You have to stay here.
We hope to see you here on your next adventure.
See
Bye!
you next time.